Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. First you have to log in into the AWS account with your user ID and password. You can give a dual authentication. You have to use your mobile. On your mobile you will be getting Google Authenticator. So I'm just entering the password which I have received, because every 10 seconds or 20 seconds this authenticator pin will be getting changed. Now after you log in into AWS, you will be able to see services on the top left hand side. Once you click on the services, these are all the options available like analytics, application integration, AR, VR. So in that you have to select compute. Once you click compute, on the right hand side you will be able to find few more options. In this you have to select EC2. This is the dashboard. Here you have to select instance for creating a new machine. Click on launch instance. You can also opt for the old version of AWS, but here I'll be using the new one. Name is optional, so you can give the name after the machine is getting. Select the operating system, Amazon, Mac OS, Ubuntu. So I'm selecting Ubuntu. I need version free tier version, so Ubuntu server 20.04 I will be selecting. Basically I need two machines for Ansible, one for Ansible control server and one more node. So instance type I will be selecting free tier, that is ts2.micro, because this is free version. Next, here you have to select key pair, which is like a password. So I'll be creating a new key pair. Just click over here. You can give the key pair name, anything of your choice. I'm giving Ansible key pair. Type create key pair. Here you can see the key is getting downloaded. Right. Next option is network settings, if you want to give any network settings like for the security purpose. So here create security group. I am giving all SSH traffic from anywhere. So basically this is our configuration, and the number of instances, like how many number of machines you want to create with this configuration, you can give the number like 1 2 3 4, like you can give even 100 number also. So like this. So I'm giving number 2 because I need one Ansible server machine and the other one is a node. You can also see the description over here. This is software image, Amazon machine image, Ubuntu 20.04 version. Instance type is t2.micro. Firewall is new security group, and this is a free tier. So you have to click over here, launch instance. As you can see, the machine is getting launched. Successfully initiated launch for instance. Click over here. Now it will take some time for the machine to get a launch. As you can see, it is showing pending, and here the check status also you can have a look, it is showing just an hyphen, whereas it should show 2 by 2 check. So I am refreshing the machines once again. Now you can see the state of instance is running, but still the check status is showing initializing, so it is still not the machine is properly not installed. We have to wait for a few more seconds. I am refreshing it. By that time, I just like to inform you that when you are logging for the first time, you will be able to see the recently used items over here. Like once you log in for the second time, then you don't have to go with this kind of approach like compute EC2 like that. Directly recently visited things you will be able to find on the dashboard over here. Okay, right. So I think now the machines have already been launched. So I'm making the name change over here. So just click over here, edit name. I'm mentioning as Ansible control server, and the other one is I'm just giving the name as node 1. You can give any name of your choice and save. Right. So just by giving the name, it will not have the features of Ansible. We have this name we are giving only for our reference purpose, right? So I need a terminal now, right? So basically you can go with the Cloud Shell from here in AWS itself, or you have the others option as well. So just go over here. If you have already downloaded the Windows terminal, you can make use of the Windows terminal PowerShell, right? And you have to select run as administrator always. Okay, so but now because I have something, it is called as git bash, so because it is already installed in my system, so I will be basically using run as administrator. Okay, so this is the terminal which I am using. Just say yes. So this is the terminal. So basically I am using the git bash terminal, not the AWS terminal, right? So just click over here on instances, select Ansible control server, the name which you have given. Here you will be able to find two IP addresses. One is the public IP address, another one is a private IP address. So basically to get connected into this machine of Ansible control, I need a terminal. That is I am using the git bash terminal. Let me just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so just copy by clicking on the public IP. See, it is getting copied. So how to connect to the Ansible control node machine? This is the command ssh space -i. So we have to give the password. So where is the password? The password which you have downloaded over here, Ansible key pairs. So you have to use ~download. So basically your passwords will be in the download file. So in that I have to type Ansible key pairs so this is the name I have given, space. So what is the machine you want to get into? So I need this Ansible control node. We are using the Ubuntu server. So you have to type Ubuntu @ and this what I have typed. Yeah, this is the public IP address, as you can see, of this machine, isn't it? Right. So I'm just pressing enter. So what you can see, Yeah, here you have to type yes, you want to connect. It is asking your permission, are you sure you want to continue? So you just have to type yes, yes, and enter. You're getting the permission denied. Okay, okay, so what was the error? I have not entered the complete name of the Ansible key, that is Ansible key pairs.pem is the file name, right? Let us try once again. What is the message you are getting, friends? Yeah, as you can see, we are into the Ubuntu machine. You can cross check the IP address as well. So as you can see, 172-31-6-98, that is 172-31.98, right? So basically after you logging in, you'll be logging in using the public IP address, but here it will be showing the private IP address. Okay, so whenever you log in into any machine, the first command you will be using is sudo apt update to give the rights, complete rights to the Ubuntu user, right? Just press enter. It is getting all the admin rights, right? So now you can add the user also if you want. So sudo, what is the command for adding an user? Right, sudo add user, give the username. What should be the username? I am giving king. Okay, so it will be asking you for the password. So basically whatever the username you give, it is recommended that you give the same password as well, for not to have the confusion. Okay, right, so here you can just click enter. Here you can click Y, right? Okay, so I just want to give the user the permissions. So for the permissions you have to use the command sudo vi sudo. So this is the nano editor. In nano editor, just you can find the this one command. So what is the username we have given? king. Just copy paste whatever the thing, just enter whatever the details are there. Capital letters ALL all equal to bracket open all colon all. Here you have to type no password, and the spelling is NOPASSWD is the password colon all. How do you come out of this box? Nano, click Ctrl X and enter Y, enter, that's it. Okay, and apart from that, you have to give the full permission for logging in this user king from anywhere. So for that, what you'll do, sudo /etc, sorry, you need an editor value, vi editor you need. So sudo vi /etc/ssh/sshd configuration. Okay, so in this file